Good day, Gerard Tarting. I'm the director of Good to Great. I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to do a career review on our digital platform. A career review, we suggest you do it at least once a year with every employee in your organization. And you combine it either with a performance review or your performance appraisal, like some people will call it. And we suggest you do it either on the anniversary date of the employee, month of the employee, or in their birthday month. So here we go. You're going to log in as the manager and you go to talent management. And under talent management, you're going to go to the all employees. You click on all employees, then you search for the employee. In this case, I've created a dummy employee called Ruben Dollar. There's Ruben Dollar. Now what you can do is, if the employee has got access to a computer, bear in mind every employee can have access to their own information, their own login details on our digital platform. You will push the notification to career review. So mean they will now receive a notification to complete the career review form. And once they do their inputs, and it's good that they do it up front, that they can reflect on some of the questions, answer it, and then when you sit with them, you will just go through the answers and you add flavor to it and reflect on that. So what I'm going to show you now is how you're going to sit with them as a manager. So you go to, on the actions, you click on career review, and there are the questions. So first question is personal and job highlights since we last spoke. Here, not just career or highlights in the work, but also in their personal capacity, what happened in the family, any highlights they would like to share with you, what they've learned since you last spoke. And again, the learning is not necessarily training courses that they've attended, yes, that too, but also their worldview, what they see in it's going on in the world, their understanding of the macro environment, not just their own little department or their own little world. Next question is, what are your 3 major strengths? And again, you will have a discussion around that. 3 things that you would like to improve on or can improve on. Discuss that. And now you talk about short-term career goals. What are your goals 1 to 2 years? And even if they retire, it's good to ask them the question. Are you going to go home and you're going to retire and you're going to expire, or you're still going to continue with your life after you resign or after you retire? So then you talk about medium career goals, 3 to 5 years, long-term career goals, 5 years plus. And then a quite interesting question here is, what new responsibilities can you take on in your current position that would make your work more interesting? So this is focusing on what makes them tick, specific things that they're good at and would like to get more exposure on. Then, following on to that, what can you do in your current job that would make you more effective? Now, this is a powerful question, and you need some time and you need to explore and unpack this. It's not just about what they find interesting, but it's about how they can deliver better customer service, how they can become more efficient, faster, and smart in what they do. Then there's a question, and that's the last one. What support do you need to become the best that you can be? This is really an open-ended question, and it's where you act as the mentor or the coach, and what the company can do to enable you to achieve your best. And that's it. And once you have done that, you save it, and then you can access that. Now I'm going to also show you where you access this information. So you go to HR administration, go to all employees. Now you're going to go and you search the employee again, Ruben Dollar, and then you click on actions again, and you click on edit, and then on talent management you see employee education. You go on talent management, and then under talent management you can see there are all the assessments that the person has done, all the PDF reports, beautiful PDF reports. Then you look at the review forms. There are all the review forms, and here you can say now you want to look at the career review form, the first one, whichever one you prefer, and then you click on generate. right? You click on generate, and then it download the report on your desktop. So this is the beauty of it. So there are all the reports. I'm going to show you what the report looks like. Save that one. You save it in a place on your computer. Right. So there's the PDF report. Beautiful report. There's the content. You can print it out for the employee, keep it in a file it for the employee, etc. So this is now when, and I'm going to show you now how you actually can, when the employee log in, how they can access the information. So now I'm going to log in as the employee Ruben Dollar. Ruben Dollar, log in. Let's get the login details here. Ruben Dollar. So he logs in. See, the interface of the employee looks different. There they can submit the medal and yellow card, but they're going to go to My Documents. My Documents, there's employee notes, assessments, COVID forms, review forms. They go to Review Forms, and there is their review form. Same thing. They can either answer it there. This is, remember, when they have a notification to complete it. There they can answer it. But they can also generate the forms. You click on generate. So the exactly same PDF form that I've just showed you, they can download for themselves. The whole idea is the employees can have access to their own information. So that's the career review forms. Thank you very much for your time.